Koran tartar. I love the presentation. This guy's like the ultimate chef. Really, really cool. Let's jump on this tartar. Oh my God.
Hey, check it. Hey, check it. Put the place up.
What's up, everyone? This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from beautiful Pogradec in Albania, right on the waters of Lake Ohrid. Check this out. Crystal clear blue water lake, deepest lake in the Balkans. It actually borders North Macedonia. On the other side you have Ohrid town. Over here we have Pogradec, and this is the beach. Beautiful white sand beach. And the reason why a lot of Albanians prefer to come over here, over the seaside, like the water in the Adriatic Sea, is because that's salty, it is fresh. They love this. This place is great. Check this out. People are relaxing, it's summertime, it's packed. And what you can do here is you can explore the town, you can go in the water, and you have to try the koran fish. Koran is a type of fish that lives at 300 meters deep, right? And that's what this town is famous for. So we're going to the Change restaurant. We're gonna see how they prepare the food. We're gonna eat, we're gonna explore the town. Are you guys ready? Hungry?
Very hungry. Let's go.
Here in the town next to the beach, we have the boardwalk, right?
Yeah.
So people just walk here, go on their bicycles. There's actually a park in the middle. So between the beach and the street is a park. And over there, like on the street, you have all the restaurants. They're all lined up. There's like 50 restaurants. It's never-ending restaurants.
Never-ending
And we're going to the Change. The Change.
So what makes Progradec special is the lake has sand, so it's a sandy beach, which is so difficult to find in other, for example, in other side where is Ohrid.
If you go to Ohrid town, it's beautiful, but they don't have a beach like this. They don't have a huge white sand beach with umbrellas. I mean, it's just not that style. Over there, it's more about the 365 churches. You know, every day they have a church.
Yeah. So as you know about Albania, so all Albania was conquered by Ottomans. So also Pogradec was a part of it, and all you know about the tourism in Pogradec was from Evliya Çelebi, a Turkish Ottoman traveler. So he mentioned about Pogradec that Pogradec had red roofs and 4 neighborhoods, 4 mosques, and 150 shops. So shops still nowadays is a part of main economy in Pogradec. And most of them they selling fresh fish, souvenirs, and everything what they need during the daily life.
Apostolos?
Apostolos.
Yes.
So Apostolos is the owner of the Change, and I think he's gonna make some koran for us.
You're welcome.
The Change restaurant is a more modern fish restaurant. As you see, a beautiful terrace, all wood. You come inside, it feels like you're on like a boat, like a Greek boat or something, like a Greek island. Over here we have some boats, lots of wine, never-ending amount of wine. Over here we have the kitchen where he's gonna make some amazing stuff for us. He's gonna make a few different koran dishes, and he's gonna make some salads. This salad's called dakos. This is like a Greek salad, but he modernized it a little bit. It's a little different. You have tomatoes, cucumber. He has this like super hard bread. It's like the Greek style bread. It's so hard. It's hard to break through, but it gets really moist when you allow all the oil to get absorbed into the bread. It's really yummy.
In the end, feta cheese.
What's the best?
Arugula and spinach. Now we make one salad. It's with spinach, arugula. It's with pistachio. It's with susam.
This is my type of salad. It's like a monster, delicious salad. My God, lots of nuts, lots of berries, raisins. Dude, this one looks amazing. I mean, they both look amazing, but this is like a monster.
Eggplant salad. This is the koran. It's a traditional fish here in Pogradec. It's in the same family with salmon. It's the same color.
All right, so we made it here to the table. We have 2 different salads, actually 3 different salads. We have like a tzatziki. We have these like fritters, look amazing. We have zucchini fries, and he's gonna do tartar right in front of us. Koran tartar, Koran tartar.
It's like salmon. It's traditional here in Pogradec. This it's in the same family. But it's not very fat like a salmon. Don't have fat. If you see it here, doesn't have fat. Little one like this. Over. Here we have mango and avocado. 3 simple things: olive oil, orange juice, and lemon.
And this is our feast. It's never ending here. Wow, I think I'm gonna start with number 1, right? The star. We just watched they made it. Man, tartar, koran tartar. He put mayonnaise on the side. You have avocado. You have just a lot of beautiful ingredients. I love the presentation. This guy's the ultimate chef. Really, really cool. So let's try. Amazing. What a beautiful dish. Now let's grab some of this and just put it to the side. Let's jump on this tartar. Oh my god. It's fresh, it's cold, it's crunchy. Whoa. That mayo doesn't even taste like mayo. It tastes like the best creamy sauce ever. So I'm gonna get some of the mango. I'm actually gonna mix it because I think it's just way better with the mayo. Wow, this is like the perfect tartar.
Oh, it's amazing. It's perfect.
Okay, so we served my plate. We have zucchini fries. They look delicious. Let me just try one. Wow, nice and mushy. So hot. Light batter. Incredible. Next to it we have this beautiful salad. Wow, with pomegranate on top. I love it. It looks crunchy. The berries and nuts, the arugula. I'm gonna eat this all day long. So fresh. This is definitely a summer salad. Over here we have a salad that is a Greek salad. So it's a little different because it has this hard bread. So we have the feta, get the hard bread. A little hard, not extremely hard. Usually you'll get it and it's like super hard. This one has soaked up some of the oils, so it's broken down a little bit. Everything's amazing. Tzatziki, get that. Always mix it with your fries. Right here we have delicious eggplant salad. The best. So fresh, so mushy. Dude, it's like perfect thing to eat. Everything here matches perfectly with the lake. Nice and refreshing summer dish. This is feta filo krostas, which is basically similar to baklava, right? So it's filo dough. They wrap cheese inside it, so they wrap it stuffed with cheese, and they fry it, and they put these nuts on top. Yeah, so sesame seeds, another seed. Feta cheese, nice filo dough. It's not too oily either. It's so good. I love this one. Crunchy, sweet. Everything has been so delicious, and we haven't even gotten to the fish yet. So, always drink white wine with fish. Especially summer months, right here by the lake. Dude, it's perfect. Thank you. And this is the grilled koran. Look at this. Beautiful. He added salt, pepper, some delicious lemon, and wow, just a beautiful fish. So it does remind me a lot of salmon. Thing is, he was saying it's less fatty. Salmon has way more fat. And you know, he cleaned it, so hopefully we don't get any spines. Maybe a few, right? Always. You can't really clean it perfectly, but this looks delicious. And he said the skin is super crispy and crunchy and so good. Oh yeah. Very similar to salmon. Nice and fresh. Comes directly from the lake. I think the best part about this is that it was grilled, and then he added some zest to it, some salt, some pepper, gives it some nice crunch. Wow. I mean, they're both great in terms of tartar, and this one, I prefer tartar, easier to eat, no bones, you don't have to go, you know, diving in, trying to see if there's any. And that one had just more refreshing things, summer stuff, right? This is still fantastic though.
So we are having same as Queen of England, long time ago. So this was one of her dishes every Friday. She was right, it's very healthy fish, it's amazing.
Queen Elizabeth ate this here, and then when she went home, she basically said every Friday I'm having it.
It's my father's rakia.
Yeah?
Okay.
Gazor. Is it strong?
It's like a raki.
Woo! Gives you wings. Where are we going next?
Next we're going to Drilon Park, which is one of the most beautiful ones, very quiet, you'll feel very comfortable there.
This is awesome. So they have 3 of these tables here. I forgot what these tables are called. Like soccer, what are they called? It's like soccer, man, my nephews have this in their house. Pretty awesome. Everybody's here, relaxing. This is like straight up beach life here. No shirts. Some of these guys have beers, and the beach is right there. Beautiful. Everybody's relaxing.
Yeah, so nice view. So you want to see there? You want to go there?
Oh, what is that?
So that's a place to jump in the lake.
So that's a pier, and there's a water slide. So all these kids are just jumping in, doing front flips. With the mountains around, everybody's playing cards, relaxing. This is an old school boat. Look at this place. It's gorgeous, dude. What a gorgeous spot. Wow, so many people in the water right now. It is summer. August 12th. So the water slide's open, huh? No, it's not open, it's broken.
Oh my god, so dangerous.
So dangerous. Somebody goes up there, that won't be good. What's up, man? How you doing? It's amazing, dude. It's like all these kids is jumping in the water, doing front flips, back flips, diving, cannonballs. This is real summer, man. Yes. You're into diving. It's funny because that takes me straight back to my childhood, you know? It's like going to the beach, jumping off the pier, enjoying life. No worries.
Nostalgia.
No worries.
Yeah, no worries.
Oh wow, it got really hot out there, huh?
Yeah.
Being out there for like 5 minutes was like
We
brutal.
wish to be to replace ourselves with them.
That's basically the center of Pogradec. Beach, park, restaurants. That's it.
That's all.
Don't come here in winter. If you come here in winter, everything will be closed. There won't be anybody here. It gets really cold here in winter.
Yes, it is.
Really cold, you know, everything shuts down. The only thing that's open in winter are a few restaurants within hotels, and that's it, like not anything else. And you won't see this, you don't experience the people walking around. And I mean, this is a perfect place to come in the summer with your family. Come eat some fish.
But if you are so boring of humans, you should come to stay all alone, so all the lake for yourself.
In winter?
Yeah, in winter.
Okay. So what's the place we're going to next? How do you say the name?
So Drilon Park, Drilon National Park is so beautiful with a small river going through it. So there are some boats and we can have a walk in the nature, so beautiful.
The spot we're going to is about a 5-minute drive. Once you pass the main area of the town, you get to another side where there's another beach, right? Super small beach though, it's literally beach on the road. The road, beach, water.
That's all.
That's all. I feel like restaurants over here, a farm over here. I mean, look at that. Oh, they're playing like soccer in the water? Oh no, that's volleyball over there, volleyball.
Yeah.
Here we are. Beautiful, nice stream. Ducks, pigeons, Drilon.
Drilon.
It's the same as Macedonia or no?
No, it's Macedonia is Drini. This is Drilon. Macedonia has more water. This is still nice, very quiet. People come here to relax, and a lot of couples, when they do a wedding clip, they come here because it's so beautiful. You see many birds, and we'll see some boats over there, so we can have a ride with a boat.
So we're gonna get a boat ride. Costs 500 lek, so like roughly $5 US. My man, you good? So this is the stream. It's a big circle, so we're just going completely around. He was saying that on this side, it's like, you know, very wide. On that side, it becomes very thin. And over here, that's a restaurant right there?
Yeah, that's a restaurant. There are a few restaurants in fact, but this one has the best view because you can stay next to there are some balconies on the water and you can feed the birds, the ducks, everything which is here. So they come all next to you. It's very nice, and the boat, as you mentioned, is only $5, which is very small amount. So you can explore, can have a different day from Progradec. So you can swim at Progradec, then come here afternoon for relax.
So nice, peaceful, relaxing. All right, guys. The captain told me to take the wheel. You're a monster.
Only that side.
Yeah. I'm like running into the wall. I always do one side stronger than the other for some reason. There's too many things. The stream got very thin now.
Carefully, mind your head behind. Mind your head. Okay, now.
Wow. This is amazing. There's all the restaurants, right? Restaurants all over there. Over here we just have, I don't know, some props right there. So we did a full circle. We're about to go under the bridge. Beautiful bridge. Love all the flowers. You're doing it, bro.
Yeah, I'm riding the boat.
So if you want to, you can actually take the boat yourself, like they're doing over there. They went without a captain, but I think the captain's better. Friend, thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
You're the best. That was good. It was only like 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Nice, you know, slow pace, relaxing, so peaceful. I love the oxygen here, the air.
It smells different.
Yeah, it smells different, feels different. And that is our day here in Pogradec, Lake Ohrid. This place is so beautiful. The best time to come is the summer to experience the beach, the boardwalk, people enjoying their time. And you have to go eat at The Change, the best restaurant in Pogradec. Well, obviously we only visited one, but this one was phenomenal. Delicious koran. We had tartar, we had grilled, we had just 2-3 salads, fantastic food. My favorite thing for sure is the tartar.
Yeah,
Blew me away.
For me, same. It was great.
It was good.
Yeah.
And then we came here, only a 5-minute drive to Drilon.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you come, you pay, 500 lek, take the boat ride. Also, if you're hungry when you come, you can have lunch or dinner right here at many of these restaurants. This one looks amazing, right there on the water. Beautiful terrace. And guys, if you love this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Albania. Peace.